Bonjour tout le monde, welcome to my crémaillère. It's called crémaillère in French. It is a housewarming. Oh, I already can't talk, I'm so excited. So we're waiting to receive our guests right now, and we've turned the boys' room into like another room to chill, and then we have the main salon over there, and it's like an 80s, we decided to have an 80s themed cocktail party. So what I'm wearing is this gorgeous jumpsuit from Issey Miyake, and yeah, it's really gorgeous. My mom got it for me when I graduated high school, so it's an old one. Like, I want to say it's over 10 years old, and so really special, and I'm so excited. And look at our beautiful plants. So glad they are still alive and here to grace our party. Anyway, I better go. I'm gonna keep you updated throughout the night, show you the scenes maybe. Hello guys. Hello guys, we are now moving, to a bar. Cocktail party was a great success, and but yeah, we decided to take it into Paris, so see you there. So we are in beautiful Hotel Lutecia it's in the 7th arrondissement of Paris, and it's beautiful, beautiful hotel, and right now I'm in the toilets, which are absolutely stunning, breathtaking, glorious. Look, oh yes, you can see the back of my suit now. Absolutely stunning. So anyway, I will show you we're at this place called Bar Josephine, and yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. But I think I will end the night showing you the bar, and then we're probably going to just stay till, you know, closing hour and get home. So I hope you enjoyed a little peek into my everyday life, our party, our housewarming.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million.